Hello students, in this video we are going to know about what is memory, what are the characteristics of memory and memory hierarchy. What is memory? The computer memory is any physical device. It is capable of storing information, maybe temporarily or permanently. The memory devices utilize integrated circuits and it are used by operating systems, software and hardware. The memory contains some of the characteristics. The key characteristics of memory are location, capacity, unit of transfer, access method, performance, physical type, physical characteristics and organization. The location characteristics of memory deals with the location of the memory device in a computer system. There are three possible locations in a memory system that are CPU, internal, external. CPU. CPU is often in the form of CPU registers and small amount of cache. Internal or main memory. This is the main memory like random access memory or read-only memory. The CPU can directly access the main memory. External or secondary memory. This memory comprises of secondary storage devices like hard disk, magnetic tapes. The CPU does not access these devices directly. It uses device controllers to access secondary storage devices. The capacity of any memory device is expressed in terms of word size or bytes. The capacity of internal memory devices expressed the memory in bytes or words. The capacity of external memory devices expressed in bytes. Next characteristics is unit of transfer. The unit of transfer means the maximum number of bits that can be read or write into the memory at a time. In case of main memory, unit of transfer is equal to a word size. But in case of external memory, unit of transfer is not limited to the word size. It is because it is larger, so it is referred to as blocks. Next characteristics of memory is access methods. To access the data from memory, it follows some of the access methods that are sequential access, random access, direct access, and associate access. Sequential access. Sequential access means the memory is organized into units of data called records. Access must be made in a linear sequence. Random access. In random access, each location in memory has a unique physical addressing mechanism. Any location can be selected at random and directly addressed and accessed. Direct address. This is also a shared network mechanism. Individual blocks or records have a unique address. This direct access is done by sequential searching. Associative access. This is a random access type of memory that enables comparison of desired bit locations within a word for a specified match. Next characteristics of memory is performance. The performance of the memory device depends on access time, memory cycle time, and transfer rate. Access time or latency for a random access memory is the time taken to perform a single read or write operation. In non-random access memory, the access time is the time it takes to position the read or write at a desired location. Memory cycle time. The memory cycle time It is applied to random access memory, which consists of access time and additional time need before a second access. Transfer rate. The transfer rate is the rate at which data can be transferred into or out of the memory unit. For random access memory, it is equal to 1 by cycle time. Characteristics of memory is physical type. The varieties of physical types of memory are semiconductor memory. The magnetic surface memory are used for disk and tape and optical memory devices. The physical characteristics of the memory is volatile, non-volatile, erasable and non-erasable. In volatile memory, information is lost when power is switched off. In non-volatile memory, information once recorded remains unchanged. Non-erasable memory cannot be altered except by destroying the storage unit. Next characteristics is organization. Organization is the physical arrangement of bits to form words. Next topic is memory hierarchy. In the computer system design, memory hierarchy is an improvement to organize the memory such that it can be minimize the access time. The memory hierarchy was developed based on the program behavior known as locality of reference. This figure clearly demonstrates the different levels of memory hierarchy. This memory hierarchy design is divided into two main types, that is internal memory or external memory. The internal memory or primary memory comprising of main memory, cache memory and CPU registers. This is directly accessible by the processor. The last three layers are called secondary memory. It comprising of magnetic disk, magnetic tape and hard disk. These are the devices which are accessible by the processor via I/O module. So, in this video, we'll learn about what is memory, what are the characteristics of memory and memory hierarchy. Thank you.